This 2012 Audi A6 is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Audi A6 Premium Plus 3.0 LV6 engine, 8-speed automatic transmission, quattro all-wheel drive system, Bluetooth connectivity, navigation system, rear view camera, front parking assist, rear parking assist, heated front seats, memory front seats, power rear trunk opener, keyless entry, keyless start, heated exterior mirrors, automatic power windows, power folding mirrors, gray metallic exterior, black leather interior. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detail. Walk around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2012 Audi A6 3.0 T Premium Plus Quattro is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, visit us at autogallerychicago.com.